Hey friends, I am so excited to share with you that my new acrylic painting course, Water Dance, is now open for enrollment. I'm so excited. This is an acrylic painting course where we walk through painting beautiful layered textural paintings of water lilies. And I share with you all my favorite tools and painting techniques that I love to use in my own painting practice when I'm working with acrylics. For this very first week, I'm having an early bird special of 15% off the regular price. So the course is normally $85, and for this first week of the release week, you get the early bird price of $72. So if you're interested in learning more about the course, or maybe enrolling, you can click the link down in the description and you can go to the sales page and learn all about it. You can watch the course trailer, you can see into all the modules, you can get a feel for what the course is like. And my goal for the course is to give you some really practical tools and problem-solving ideas to help you in your future work, not just painting paintings together in the course, but tools and ideas and techniques and skills that you can carry on into all your future work. So you can check out the course and get a really good look into the content and what it is like through that link in the description, and get in on the early bird week discount of 15% off the regular price. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the course. If you're not sure if it's right for you, I'm happy to chat about it. And happy painting, guys. Bye for now.